Hello everyone, welcome to my new video. It's finally Mermay and it's the 3rd of May and I already painted 2 mermaids for the May 1st and May 2nd. The themes of these first 2 days were mirror and cosmic. The first drawing I made in Photoshop, the second drawing I was painting in Procreate. So let me show how I was painting it. First theme of the drawing was mirror. I didn't know what to paint, so I just started painting from imagination, and honestly this mermaid looked very young. I wanted to make her older, but accidentally she looks younger than I planned to, and I decided to leave it as it is and don't do anything with it. The second theme is cosmic. I came up with this unusual idea, so I decided to make mermaid's hair look like a universe, many stars and planets on a beautiful sky, and also she has these tears. This is why this drawing is called Empathy. This mermaid is accidentally take emotions of other. She's like a sponge and she feels this, I don't know, pain, and this is why she has these tears that look like universe, like her hair that look like universe too. So that was my idea for this drawing. So that's it. That's how I created these two drawings. I don't know if I'll finish the mermaid challenge, but I'll draw as many drawings as I can. As I can see, I prepared for the mermaid. As you can see, I have new jewelry. This is a gift from my family for my birthday. And as you can see, there's flowers. It's also a gift from my family because on 29th of April I had my birthday. I'm 30 and I cannot believe it, because I don't think I look 30 and I definitely don't feel 30. I always had this stereotype that when people are 30 they already have their life figured out. They know everything about the world around them, but I guess that's not true for some of us, or maybe for many of us, who knows. So yeah, that's the video. In next videos I'll probably paint more mermaids, or maybe I'll do something else, I don't know. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in next videos. Bye.